Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I bring you another unboxing of this 1/18 scale Ford GT concept made by Beanstalk. This model is, well, very unique and very cool and quite rare. And I bought it from eBay for only just about, guess. Well, actually, $30. $30 total for a 1/18 scale Beanstalk Ford GT concept, new in box. It is a little bit rough, but still, that is a very good deal for one of these models. And you can go on eBay and look for yourself. And frankly, they go sometimes over $200. At least usually about 70. And when I saw it for only $30 total, I jumped on it immediately. Well, it's kind of one that I've been looking at. I kind of wanted to either get the real one or the concept, but this one came along and I just had to get it. It's a neat car. And it's a little rough, so prepare yourself. Nothing I can't repair, though, so we're good on that note. Now, I've seen some very, very rough stuff in my time, so. Nice packing. And just like many of my other cars, this evidently was bought at KB Toys at one point. And I wish they were still around. Oh boy, I just dropped my phone. I really should invest some, maybe some GoPro or some new camera equipment. That'd be a good thing to invest in. Okay. So, I think the car itself's wrapped up, possibly, but it is. As you can see, the plastic is completely, what is the word? Just it's come away from the cardboard, which, frankly, that's no new thing to me. I can't tell you how many times I've dealt with that. Although, apart from that, the box is mint. Yeah, this thing's mint. Beanstalk was around for not many years at all, actually. They only made a few models, including the Aston Martin from James Bond and the Ford Thunderbird 007 edition, and kind of weird special stuff like that. And of course this car, which might be challenging to get out. Yeah, it's going to be kind of hard to get out, so I'm going to set you down. Actually, I won't set you down. I'll set you on this. This is my makeshift props. Stay there. Okay, so this thing is kind of wedged in there just because the plastic had come down, so I'm just going to take this plastic out because it's already coming out, and then that'll make it easier to get the car out of the box. Oh boy. That's fun. The glue had come undone from the box. Very nice. Now, the plastic actually helps us, kind of the structure, some of the structural integrity of these boxes. So there it is. This thing is mint. Well, the windshield's cracked. that sucks. But apart from that, I think we're good. Yeah, this thing is really cool. The Goodyear branded tires, Goodyear Eagles. That's very nice. This front design's pretty cool. Wow, that lighting design actually, they did a good job on that. Props to Beanstalk. Not that they're around anymore, but wow, very good detailing in there. This had a supercharged V8 from Ford at the time, and it pumped some crazy horsepower. And these things were very skittish, and well, as some of you might know, I have a couple relatives that were in the car industry, and they remember when these cars were being discounted when they were new because they just didn't sell, and they weren't doing good. You know, people thought it's a Ford, and they're asking what, $200,000 for it? Are you kidding me? You know. And now, of course, they go for over $1 million sometimes. But, you know, people didn't realize back then, I guess, you know, some people did because those are the people who bought them, that this car would be so rare in the future. Of course, this is the concept, but the normal one looked very similar to this. And it was a fantastic car, looked amazing, interior was amazing, really neat, futuristic. The engine was beautiful as well, sounded really cool. And overall, a very good tribute to the real old GT. But with that came the cost of the car, and I think people weren't ready to spend that much on a Ford, and the average buyer, and of course the people who did, bought them, and well, they're very lucky, and now they're selling them and making a lot of money. This thing's actually really cool. I like this. I like this like a lot. A little more than I thought I was going to, actually. International Superstar and the Ultimate Living Legend. The Ford GT concept. That's very cool. And that box is not in bad shape. It's going to have to re-glue that plastic and then also re-glue that back of the box. It'll be good to go. Honestly, the car maybe just needs a dust off. You know, it's still new in the box and everything, so it's a neat color. I wouldn't say this is probably I don't think this is the most rare color, but, you know, when I saw it, I don't really care about the color when it's this price. You know, the model is the most important, condition is the second important, and then third is color. That's how at least it goes for me, but I'm actually really surprised by the detailing of this model. This is a really neat model, and I think I got a good deal on it, and well, I'm happy about it. It's a really cool looking car. I mean, put in the comments down below what you guys think of this model or the real car. If you ever saw one in person before, I don't think I have. Maybe I have once, but I bet some of y'all probably have maybe seen it in person, or maybe, you know, have this model, or, you know. But put anything you'd like in the comments down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. And well, if you did like it, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. And for more content like this, we'll hopefully continue for many years to come. And I'll probably have maybe a couple of restoration videos coming out soon, and maybe some real car reviews. I'm getting back in the rhythm of things. Stuff's kind of gotten busy recently, and YouTube kind of fell back behind the, well, kind of sat on the back burner for a while, but it's coming back to the priority, and we're going to make some videos. So hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the videos, and thank you guys so much for watching, and GP out.